Hello, good housekeeping. Today I want to show you an easy way to make a beautiful centerpiece for Christmas. I know this Christmas is going to be a little bit different, but you still have to make it special for you and your close family. I'm going to use items that a lot of you might already have at home. Okay guys, I'm going to start doing the centerpiece with something that most of us have at home, which is a wreath. Okay, if you have a wreath from previous years that you use, it doesn't matter how much decoration you have on, you can make this work. Okay, so for instance, the one I have here, it's got writing in the center, it's got a bow. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this bow over and I'm just going to try to hide it inside the wreath, right there. Then I'm going to open up a little bit more. I have this right here. Now, if you don't have one of these at home, you can use something to give height of, and just put a regular glass bow on top, all right? But you want that little height so it sits up on your wreath. Then, a lot of us also have something similar to this at home as well. You buy this at the store. If you don't have something like this, you can use fresh flowers or fresh greenery from outside. And you're going to place that inside there. Again, hiding any bows or letters or any message that's in it if you have old ones from home. I have bead strings over here. This one is red and it will go beautiful with this. But if you don't have bead strings, you can also use little just the little ball ornaments. You can use greenery, basically whatever you want to put in there to cover up a little bit and give some texture to the glass ball. There, then you're going to bring your greenery a bit down. I love using ornaments because, again, it's a way to repurpose things that we already have at home. Repurposing, 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 repurposing. That's all about using things that you already have home so you can save money, save time, but give a whole different look to your holidays. I love these little birds. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna add it right here. Hide the string, so you can use it again next year on something else. And then the flower, I'm just going to add it to the side of the table. So it covers again the separation of the wreath and this greenery that I have on the table. You're just gonna set greenery in the middle. I have these beautiful red candles. I use 3. And again, using the ornament, a different version of the birds, just next to the candle. Voila, guys, simple as that. There we go, good housekeeping. A very simple way to make a beautiful centerpiece with most likely items that you already have at home. I know this Christmas is going to be a very different one for all of us, but we still have to make it special for your close family at home. Beijos, happy holidays.